This is how to have breakfast that keeps you energized all day. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and it's crucial to fuel your body with the right nutrients and energy to kickstart your day. In this video, I'm going to share with you some easy and delicious breakfast ideas that will keep you energized all day long. Fruit salad. Fruit salad is a great way to start your day with a dose of vitamins and antioxidants. You can mix and match your favorite fruits, such as berries, apples, and bananas, and add a dollop of yogurt for some extra protein. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a classic breakfast food that is rich in fiber and can keep you full for longer. You can make it with water or milk and add some nuts, seeds, and fruit to give it some extra flavor. Egg sandwich. Egg sandwiches are a protein-packed breakfast option that will keep you satisfied until lunchtime. You can use whole grain bread, add some vegetables, and top it off with some cheese or avocado. Banana oat cookies. Banana oat cookies are a tasty and healthy breakfast option that you can prepare in advance. Simply mix mashed bananas, rolled oats, and your favorite nuts or seeds together, and bake them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Protein smoothie. Protein smoothies are a quick and easy way to get the nutrients and protein you need to start your day. You can mix some fruits and vegetables with milk or yogurt, and add some protein powder for an extra boost. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and it's crucial to fuel your body with the right nutrients and energy to keep you energized all day long. Today, I shared some easy and delicious breakfast ideas, including fruit salad, oatmeal, egg sandwich, banana oat cookies, and protein smoothie, that will keep you healthy and energized. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health and fitness tips.